Yes, square and square root. Now see what is meant by square. Okay, if a particular number is written, if I written 14 and I have to find the square of 14. Okay, what is the square of 14? For that, what I need to do? 14 multiplied by 14 I need to do. Okay, means 2 times I have to multiply 14. So my answer will be coming 196. Right? So I can write the 14 square. Why I am writing 14 square? Because 14 is multiplied by 2 times. Getting my point? जैसे हम x into x लिखते थे. If I am getting x multiplied by x, 2 times I am multiplying x, so I am writing x raised to 2. Right? So this is also like this. 2 times I have multiplied by 14, so 14 raised to 2, which is nothing but equal to 196. Okay, this is the square of 14. Now, if I say this is a square root sign, 196. Square root of 196 means which number whose square is 196? That is 14. Right? So this is square and this is square root. Okay. Now, we need to find that how we can find the square root directly. Now, there is some method to find the square root directly, but for that, at least you should know the tables and how to find the factors also, that also you need to learn. Okay, now first example I'll be taking, that first example will be of 144. This 144 I have written. Now find the square root of 144. Now what is our first one? Find the factors of 144. Okay, now if you know the factors, you can directly write. If you don't know, then divide by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I know directly that 16 nines are 144, right? So I will be making the factors to it. So 16 can be divided into 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by, and 9 can be divided into 3 multiplied by 3, right? So if you want, again 4 can be divided into 2 into 2 multiplied by this 4 also can be divided into 2 into 2. This 3 will be coming as it is and this 3 will be coming as it is. Now this is the final step, or these are the final prime factors of a 144. Now we need to find the square root of 144. So in the square we will be writing all the factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 into 3. Okay, now from this what we need to do, whatever partner terms are there. Now see, here 2 times 2 is coming, so 1 time 2 we can take outside from these 2. Here also 2 partners are available, so from that also we can take 2, 1. 2 times 3 is there, so 1 time we can take it out. Okay, square means what? 2 times multiplication, and square root means what? Out of 2, 1 should be coming out. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and hence the square root of 144 is 12. You can cross check also. 12 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 12 2s are 24, carry 2, 12 1s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So this is my 144. This is how you can find the square root of a particular number. One more example we will take. That my second example, I will be taking 225. 225 number I took. Okay, now write down the factors. Now it is a odd number, so definitely 2 will not be coming in the factors. So last digit is 5. So you can divide it by 5 also, or else you can divide it by 3 also. If you apply the divisibility test of 3, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. So ये 3 से भी divide होता है. Depend on you. I will divide it by 5. So my 45 5s are 225 it is. Now 5 will be as it is, and this 45 I'll be segregating into 5 multiplied by 9. Right? Now this 5 will be as it is, this 5 will be as it is, and this 9 will be segregated into 3 multiplied by 3. Now whatever factors are there, these are all prime numbers. They can't be segregated more. So here we can find the 225's square root. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Right? Now what it says, see, if you have to remove the square root, you have to give, आपको एक twins का ये देना पड़ता है किसी एक को. if you have to remove this, किसी एक twins का आपको ये करना पड़ता है. So from these two From these twins, only one can come out. From these twins, only one can come out. So this is nothing but 5 3s are and 15. If you cross check it with this, 15 multiplied by 15, 15 5s are 75, carry 7, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 7, it is 22. Okay, so finding factors and you can have the square root of a number. Now, we can find the square root of a variables also. Okay, why we need this? Because whenever there is an area of square, for example, if area of square is given, area of square is equal to 225 square centimeter. If this area of square is given and question is find side. Okay, now area of square formula what says? That the area of formula is nothing but side into side is equal to 225. Right? Now, which number is there? We will multiply 2 times. So we will be getting 225. So from this, you can find that 15 multiplied by 15 is gives you 225. And therefore, side of square is nothing but equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, because these are the questions are there in you into your perimeter and area. Whatever chapter is there, perimeter and area, in that such questions are there where area of square is given and you need to find the side of square, right? So there, this method can be useful. If you learn the 1 to 20 squares, that will be more easy. Okay, so this much time you will be able to save. If not, then this method you need to apply for finding the square root of a particular number. Okay, now I will teach you how to find the square root whenever variables are given to you. Okay, now first example is given in your algebraic expression. There are some examples like x raised to 4, y raised to 6 and z square. Always remember, if you need to find the square root of particular variable terms, the power of a variable should always be an even number. आपके जो powers है वो हमेशा even number होनी चाहिए. If it is an odd number, then you will not able to find the square root. I will teach that. I will show you how. Now 4 times x is there. So x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Write down the factor form of it. Multiplied. Y is 6 times y. So 6 times y will be multiplying. Okay. Now 2 times z is there. So z into z. Okay. Now we need to find the square root. This is my square root sign. The same square root sign will go to this also. Now from 1 to 1 2. Okay. From this 1x will be coming out. From this 1x will be coming out. Right. Now from this 2y 1y. From this 2y 1y. And from this 1y will be there. Multiplied. From this z, only one z can come out. So what will be your square root of this particular term? X into x, x square. Y into y, y cube, and z will be as it is. So square root of a particular number is this. You can directly also access. How you can directly calculate it? By, if you see carefully, the power of each variable is get half. यहाँ पे x raised to 4 था, square उसके square root में x raised to 2 बन गया. Y raised to 6 था, y cube बन गया. Z square था, z बन गया. Right? Means in the square root, whenever we are finding the square root of a particular variable terms, then the power of such variable terms is just going to be half. That's it. और अगर हमें इसका square निकालना है, x square y cube z, इसका अगर हमें square निकालना है, means this term I have to multiply 2 times. X square y cube z multiplied by x square y cube z. This we have already done in the beginning only, how to multiply the variable. 2 times x will gives you 4 times x. 3 times y will gives you 6 times y. And 1 time z will give you 2 times z. So again you go back to the same. Getting my point? So any difficulty under this? So this is how we can find the square root of a number and a variable.